Transform the chore of doing the laundry into the easiest part of your day with this Hoover washing machine. Not only will you be saving money on your energy bills, with its revolutionary functions, you can expect the best cleaning results after every wash. With the Hoover Wizard app, you can use your smartphone to control, monitor and manage your laundry appliance with ease. Simply synchronize your smartphone to the appliance by tapping it. With additional features such as energy monitoring and voice assist, doing your laundry has never been so easy. KG mode is an impressive sensor which weighs your laundry during the first 4 minutes of its cycle, for the washing machine to then adapt its cycle time, water and electricity consumption to accommodate the size of the load, ensuring that your clothes are being washed in the most efficient way. With an A++ energy rating, this Hoover appliance uses the latest technology to deliver perfectly clean results, and being up to 40% more energy efficient, you can save a significant amount of money on your energy bills. No home is complete without a good washing machine, so upgrade your kitchen with this Hoover washing machine, guaranteeing your dirty laundry is thoroughly but carefully washed and will come out looking as good as new.